Here we go again with another home project on my BMW 530i 2002. I have a problem with my DSP stereo. I suspect that the amplifier is grounded or something, because every time I turn the power on, I hear a lot of noise. You hear that already? Noise right there. So I'm gonna investigate and check the amplifier at the back. So the unlock. Stereo is located here. So I have loosened all the bolts here. Here, two inside and one up here. So I'm ready to slide this one out. Then I'm gonna disconnect this here. It should be easy pull. Split up. There. Squeeze here, so it will slide up. And that should clear it up. I still have to remove this here and here, and this one too, right here, which is loose already. Remove all the nuts and the bolts. So this one should be easy. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Gotta play with it a little bit. There. There. Oh, there it is. Well, it's broken already anyway. But they're supposed to have a tab right here that you can lock it to the top. Right here, it locks in there. And now this one, maybe this one just pull it up. Oh, there it is. Squeeze the tab here and pull this one towards the back. There, that'll come up. The same with this one over here, but it's already broken. So now all I have to do is remove this. Here, this is my, I guess it's grounded, but I bought another one on eBay for $100, and this is what I'm gonna be using. Hopefully it's gonna be, according to the seller, it's working. So we'll see. I'll find out. Except part number, same part number. So I'm gonna remove this one and transfer it over. Hopefully it works. So that's going to be a waste of my $100 from eBay. All right, put this to the side. So I'm gonna connect this one first, the inside. This here, slide this one down there, this one too. Make sure this tab right here is facing to the back, and align it and move this one to the front, towards the front, and it goes to the tab right there. So when you remove it, make sure you squeeze this tab here. The same at the back, but the one is already broken. And this here you gotta squeeze here too. When you remove it, you gotta squeeze this one also. So this right here, it should slide in easily, just like that, and slowly slide it down until it clicks. There, it clicks. So we'll see what happens. It's in. I'm gonna check the radio before I put all the brackets in. Hopefully it works, or it's gonna be a waste of my $100. So here we go. Well, I don't hear any noise. I don't hear any noise from the speaker. Let's turn the radio on, see what happens. Oh yeah, it works. Gonna hook up my Prime Music and we'll see what happens. Works. All right, that's $100 from eBay. And that's it. It works.